Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170. Inside this video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to get more storage on your iOS device. Now, this is extremely easy. Now, there are multiple alternatives to this that don't require a jailbreak, like Magic Phone or Magic Clean or whatever it's called, which you can find on Tweakbox and App Valley and Ignition. You can find it on the three major powerful app services, or, well, technically city alternatives, my bad. But as you guys know, I prefer things that are permanent unless it's with a jailbreak. Either I prefer using things that require a jailbreak or if it's permanent from the App Store. I absolutely hate doing things that are only going to work for a week to 2 weeks and then boom, they just stop working. I have to re-download. It's just a huge hassle. So I have found a brand new app inside of the App Store that you guys can use. It is extremely easy, and inside this video I gained about roughly 3 gigabytes of space inside this video. I wanted to wait a good week or two of actually having my iPhone so there would be an actual difference inside the storage. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into this video, guys. Can I get 170 likes? And also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, I'm going to go ahead and meet you guys over on my iPhone now. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm clearly on my iPhone right now. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that this app is inside of the App Store, and there it is. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, open up the settings, and show you guys how much storage I have. Now, inside of the reviews of this app, it got a lot of low reviews saying the ads were making it unusable. Now, I always have my ad blocker enabled, but I did actually disable it when I was testing the app, and I still didn't see any bad ads. I think I seen one on the bottom. It still made the app usable. It wasn't a big deal in my opinion. But if I go ahead and go to About, as you can see, I have 40.7 gigabytes available. And it's going to go a little bit over 43 gigabytes after I'm done doing this. So let's go ahead and open up this app. Once it loads up, it'll even tell me how much storage I have. So now all you have to do is hit start. This process will only take 1 to 2 seconds and it is done. So now we can go ahead and go back over to the settings app. And as you guys can see, I'm now at 43 gigabytes. That is literally it. It's that simple, guys. That's going to be just about it for this video, guys. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.